Let's understand the scalar and vector quantities. Physical quantities are categorized into three parts: scalar quantities, vector quantities, and tensor quantities. Scalar quantities, the physical quantities which have only magnitude but don't have any direction. Vector quantities, those physical quantities which are defined as having magnitude as well as direction. Tensor quantities, those physical quantities which are neither scalar nor vector are termed as tensor. Now, take a pencil and measure its length. The length of the pencil is 6 centimeters. It represents only numerical values, so it is a scalar quantity. The maximum temperature during sunny day is 40 degrees Celsius. The minimum temperature during night is 25 degrees Celsius. The difference in temperature delta T equals to maximum temperature minus minimum temperature. That is delta T equals to 40 degrees Celsius minus 25 degrees Celsius equals to 15 degrees Celsius. The difference in temperature represents only numerical values, so it is called scalar quantity. Let's understand vector quantities. Definition: those physical quantities which are described by both magnitude as well as direction are known as vectors. Let us take an example. Force is a push or pull acting on a body. A force is a vector quantity, so a force has both a magnitude and a direction. Now, see the person pushing the table. See a man pulling a bullock cart. What is a vector? Physical quantities with which we can associate magnitude as well as direction are vectors. Here, line AB represents a vector with A as an initial point and B as a final point, and direction along AB. It is denoted by AB having arrow above it denoting the direction of the vector. The truck is moving with velocity of 30 km per hour. In vector notation, the velocity v of truck is represented by an apple is falling from the tree towards the earth. Acceleration due to gravity is a vector quantity and it is denoted by Before we proceed, we must have a little knowledge about unit vectors. A unit vector is a vector of unit magnitude and points in a particular direction. It has no dimension and has length. It is used to specify a direction only. I cap, j cap, k cap denotes unit vector along x, y, and z axis of the rectangular coordinate system. A truck is moving with a velocity of 30 km per hour. In vector notation, the velocity v of truck is represented by velocity equals to 30 I cap km per hour. A boy is pushing a table applying a force of 10 Newton. So, the force is a vector quantity is represented by F equals to 10 I cap Newton. When the direction is reversed, F equals to 10 times minus I cap Newton. An apple is falling from the tree towards the earth in a straight line. So, in vector quantity, acceleration due to gravity towards the earth's surface is represented by acceleration equals to 9.8 minus j cap meter per second square.